Viewers, welcome to my channel. This is Suman Neelam Geology. If you want to know the geology, just you must start your preparation, your learning from English medium only. If you know the basic idea, basic knowledge about the English, simply you can understand the geology subject. If you want to learn the geology in Telugu language, it is very difficult to understand the words of the geology because almost geology is composed with Greek and Latin words only, which are very hard to pronunciation, especially for Telugu medium people. So you want to know the English, you want to know the geology, you must start your learning from the basics only in English language only. Most of the people advise you, no, just you must know the basic knowledge about the geology from after studying the Telugu medium books. You can open your English medium books. So that is absolutely wrong guidance. So I learnt geology in this way only. Just I did not know about the English as much as when I joined in geology in 2004, but unknowingly, knowingly, whether it is right or wrong, but I learned in English only. I keep on interest about the geology and English. Simply, I got the more idea about the geology. So when I joined in geology, I felt very much bad feeling about the geology, but I did not understanding what is this, what is happening, why did I join in the geology. So it is very horrible to sit in front of the professors. I did not understand anything about geology. So sometimes I wanted to escape from this subject to other subject, but finally I settled in geology only. So if you want to know the English, if you want to know the geology subject, you must start your learning from English language only. Just you keep interest on geology basics, and you must start your English preparation, geology preparation from mineralogy subject. So mineralogy subject, it consists different types of mineral properties, mineral families, and which can give you more information about the geology. If you have some idea about the mineralogy, geology subject is become very much happy, very much easy to understand, easy to know the. You will get some idea and more interest about the geology. So it is my humble request to you people who are joining in the geology subject, whether it is a degree basic level, BSc level, or MSc level, or preparation people. So you must know the geology in English language only. Don't try to learn in geology in Telugu medium. Just keep your Telugu medium books aside, but you can open your English books only. Basics, you must know the basics about the geology in different types of branches. So it is very useful to you. If you like my video, please subscribe my channel. Unless you subscribe my channel, you will not get more notifications about my videos. So please subscribe if you like my video, and if you have any doubt about the geology, you can ask me and in comment box. If you like my video, please share it and subscribe it. If you do not like my video, please comment in comment box. Thank you.